Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to learn about the divisibility rule for 5. It says that a number is exactly divisible by 5 if its unit digit is either 0 or 5. Let us try to understand this rule with an example. Example: is 80 exactly divisible by 5? Let us check the rule. The unit digit of 80 is 0. Therefore, the rule is satisfied. Hence, 80 should be exactly divisible by 5. Got it? Now, let us verify the correctness of the rule using long division. When we divide 80 by 5, we get 0 as the remainder. When the remainder is 0, we say that the dividend is exactly divisible by the divisor. So, 80 is exactly divisible by 5. Hence, the divisibility rule for 5 holds true in this case because it already said that 80 should be exactly divisible by 5. Got it? Let us move on to another example. Is 109 exactly divisible by 5? Check the rule. The unit digit of 109 is 9, which is neither 0 nor 5. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 5, 109 should not be exactly divisible by 5. Now, let us verify the correctness of the rule using long division. When we divide 109 by 5, we get 4 as the remainder. When the remainder is not 0, we say that the dividend is not exactly divisible by the divisor. So, 109 is not exactly divisible by 5. Hence, the divisibility rule for 5 holds true in this case also because it already said that 109 should not be exactly divisible by 5. Got it? Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.